We call this SwapFL, right? This box will be called a SwapFL. I will draw the FTR and FL quickly, and I will show how FTR is formed and then how it convert to FL. I see some of you guys are drawing the FTR and FL in wrong way. So they are small little bit things. So I will explain them again. Okay. So price moves like this, pulls back. What does this mean? There is some resistance which is forcing the price to go back down, right? Here we have some resistance. But what price does after pulling back, price goes up again, right? Pulls back and then goes up again. So here at the resistance level, here we have resistance. Okay, price came back, makes a low here, low or support. Low, we can call it low or we can call it support as well. Due to this support, the price went up again and creates a high here. Okay, then pulls back, came back and goes up. This is where the price goes up, came back, but did not came back to this support level or S level. So we call this fail to return or FTR. This zone is called FTR. At this point, this zone is FTR. We call this FTR. Then in future, if price, here the price created higher high, right? In future, if price comes back again here in FTR zone, this box, orange box is a zone, not just a line. If price come back till here, here or here, but it should not go below this orange box. If this goes below orange box, this will not be FL. Price should come back in this zone and should go up again and cross this higher high level. This higher high level must be broken, and this crossing is valid even if price cross by 1 pip or 1 point, but it should cross. So now the price cross this higher high. Now this FTR converts to FL, right? FL. Now price, this FTR converts to FL. Now this is FL, and this FL is valid until this is not broken to downside. Doesn't matter if price comes back how many times. Price may come back again, goes up, come back again, goes up. That doesn't matter. Until the box is not broken to downside, this is valid, right? So now you have understood how the FTR is formed and how it converts to FL. If we talk about downside, then price comes down, goes up, and this is where the support is created. This is a support. Price goes up, creates a high, or we can say this resistance. Then price comes back again, cross this support level, pull back and goes down again. Now FTR is formed. Call this FTR. When price, this form, and this what is formed here as support, or we can say this low. Here this is the form low and this is lower low. So we will denote this low and this as lower low. Price goes back again in this zone, can go here, but should not cross this box to upside and come back again. Should cross this lower low level here. If this is cross, so now this FTR will convert in FL. So FTR is not converted to FL. It doesn't matter how many times price goes here, comes back, goes here, comes back, but this box should not be broken to the upside. Until then, this will be FL. Once this is broken, this is no longer a valid FL. Fine. Till here, we completed yesterday. If anyone still have any doubt or question, please ask again. Okay. Yes, it can hit FL level at hundreds times, thousands times doesn't matter. This is valid FL until it is broken to the upside, right? This upside level, it is the box. It has lower level and upper level, right? This should be broken to upside to make it invalid or swap it. Okay. So now today we are going to study SwapFL. Fine. We will continue in this structure, so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's shift this here and focus on here. First we will discussing about for the bullish side. Okay, so and we will shift. So now this is FL, right? So we don't need to write full thing. Only if we write FL, that is enough, right? FL. We shift it here, and this is now this is FL. So in future for SwapFL, now we are going to study SwapFL. SwapFL. Here I should denote the topic SwapFL. Okay, and size 28. Okay. So when price comes back and breaks this FL to downside, comes here, pulls back and comes down again, right? Comes down, make this low, break this FL, make the low, okay, and then makes a high, right? And then again makes a lower low. So now this zone, low to high, this zone, we will change its color, right? So this purple box will be called SwapFL. And this SwapFL can be this pullback, the price came back break this FL, goes bit up, came down, this is swap FL, and this can also go up till here, but it should not cross to this higher high. This higher high was formed here. Price pull back till here, and came back again and breaks this low. This full zone will be our swap FL. In this case, this will be our swap FL, and this high will be shift to here, right? This is also our swap FL, right? So swap FL can be this size or this size, both of sizes swap FL, right? Now let's see at bearish side. Shift it here and shift this one here. Same thing here. Now this is FL, so we can write only this as FL. And this one is our lower low. So when price goes up, break this box to upside, pulls back, and then goes up again. This, and so a box will be formed here, a zone is formed here, and this will be called swap FL, right? Why this is called swap FL? This is swap of the FL. After breaking of FL zone, this box is created, so this will be called a swap FL. So here high is made, and here higher high is made, right? And again, like that, this box, this pullback can be a small or can be a big, can be till here. So in that case, our box will be like this one, right? So this is our swap FL. Okay, so anyone have any question related to swap FL?